Should we just start in the computer room here?
Yeah.
This is pretty open. There's like no cover.
That's fine. We're good.
We're good. Okay, I got it. Somebody walk our 6.
Alright, I'll get...
I don't like this room. Yeah, it's kind of in the open. Where should we go?
We can hurry up and try and find somewhere. Oh, too late now.
In here.
No.
Go, go, go. Yeah, go away.
Go.
You're going back. Go. I got you. I got you.
Bang, 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 bang.
We're out. We're out. We're out. Bang. Oh, seven. Hey, we're out. We're in. We're in. We're all in. Hey, don't chill. We're out. We're out. We're out. We gotta come that way. We're out. Coming up.
Hey, let me know when you're going.
Hey. We're out. We're out. Hey, we're out. Back, you got him?
Yeah.
We got guys, right? Coming through us.
Dude, this is like the worst place. Where are you going out?
I don't have CO2.
Okay, that's fine.
Let's move back in the computer. You want it?
Yeah, yeah. It's better because I feel super trapped right in here. I think we'll be good in here for a little bit.
Pat. Hey, do you want to This is a really open room. Where should we go? Let's move towards barn. Move towards barn.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right, go, go. I got your 6. Go. No, you're good.
All right, Pat.
Here, wait. Hey, let me know when you guys are going.
All right, Pat. Okay.
All right, go. Where?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Where's he at?
Right around the corner.
Sit!
All right, moving in.
Go, go.
You want to use back, Judd?
No, we're good. Bang!
Back, Judd.
Hold on.
I got
Okay, right here. I think you. Hey, you sitting?
Are you down?
Okay. Oh shit, no he's not.
Here, Judd. Throw it in. We'll
No. Alright, fine. Go. He's in that room. Alright, here. Grab it. Hold on. Hey Ian, you down?
Yeah.
Alright, we're all dead. Let's get out of here.
All right, back, Thunder B.
Okay. Alright, come on.
Are you?
Alright, where do you want to go? Yeah, he's good. I got him out
Okay,
earlier.
let's move through here.
Okay.
All right.
Alright, go. I got your 6. Alright,
All right, we gotta make it towards barn.
Okay, I got you. So you guys can go. I don't see anybody.
Oh shit. Watch, he's at the end of the hall there. All right, we're gonna make a rush into barn. You ready?
Okay. You guys have to cover me though, because I'll be coming last. Hey, wait here. I'm gonna come into this room real quick.
Matt, where you going?
Hold on. I was just making sure we're good on the hall.
All Alright, we're clear. We're moving.
Alright, go. Go. Clear.
Are we going for the last team?
I said probably. I wouldn't doubt it.
Alright, we'll just reach through here and see if
Alright, we're good.
moving.
I got your sixes.
Alright, we'll move through.
Yeah, watch down there, because they'll probably beat from down there. Here, I got it.
Dude, I think we're the only people on the field. I think we got it.
It'll be somewhere.
Alright, we're moving out.
Okay, I got behind.
Right at the end of the hall there.
Alright,
Down that. You see him?
no.
Good game.
Right here, bones. Give me bones.
Boom!
Alright, we out.
We didn't get out.